Have you been looking for a job and it feels like nothing is coming your way? Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind or jobs that never call you back or the unfortunate emails from job applications? Are you a stay at home mom or stay at home dad and you're thinking about how to make money while at home or at the comfort of your home? Imagine earning up to $150 an hour right from your laptop or your phone with no degree needed. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you 6 remote 9 jobs that are hiring worldwide, and right now, all you need is a Wi Fi, data, and a willingness to get started. So, if you're ready to take control of your time, work from anywhere, and finally start making money on your own terms, then this video is for you. So, let's dive right into it. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Uche Ago, and in this channel, I share immigration updates, information that could help you study and live abroad. I share information that help nurses, and I share career tips. If any of this is what interests you, please do consider joining this family by subscribing to the channel and liking this video. And if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome and you would absolutely love it here. The first job on my list is a freelance video editor. So this is especially for social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram creators who need help to improve their content editing. So if you love YouTube or TikTok, then this is a gold time. So many creators film their content but do not have enough time to edit it. I can say that for sure because personally, editing is one of the big bones in my neck, so I know how that feels. This is where you come in as a freelance video editor. So you can work with influencers, you can work with broadcasters, you can work with small businesses, and this is done remotely and on your own schedule. Now you'll be wondering, what would you be doing in this job? You will take up raw footages that they have pre-recorded and you can turn it into polished content. This includes trimming, color grading, adding music, transition, just to make the video look good and enticing for the viewers. You can niche down. Some editors do not only do YouTube vlog, reels, or cinematic videos. Some choose what you enjoy doing most and what you're best at. Now, the good thing is that the pay range is from $25 to $100, some $300 per video, depending. And how can you find this job? You can find it on Fiverr and you can find it on Upwork. What skills do you need? You need skills in editing like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, CapCut, creative storytelling, audio editing, and you can earn from the comfort of your home. The second job on my list is a Q&A tutor. So if you're very good at explaining things, you should try out becoming a Q&A tutor. This is flexible and this is perfect for night shifts, especially since that's when most students study and do assignments. The best platform where you can find this is on StudyPool. Students from around the world ask for homework questions, and you can pick up one that you're comfortable with answering and get paid while at it. You get paid once your solution is accepted. There is no live sessions. You work at your own pace. Pay range is around $10 to $50 per question, and the top tutors make around $7,500 per month. Some have even earned over $76,000 on this platform. What subjects are included? Subjects like maths, accounting, Excel, writing like resumes, transcripts, translation, science, programming, and more. And you can find these jobs on StudyPool. All you have to do is to sign up. I'm going to put it on the screen over here. And the skills that you need skills in subject expertise, written communication. There is no teaching certificates needed whatsoever. The third job is localization tester. This is a hidden gem. Not a lot of people know this job. As a localization tester, companies get to hire you to test websites, apps, games in different languages. And you can check out translations like the button functions, layout issues, and whether the content makes like cultural sense, which is crucial for global launches. The pay range is around $20 to $50 per hour. And you can find this job on Lionbridge and Relocalize. The skills required are multilingual ability and attention to detail and ability to report bugs. So this is perfect for people who are language lovers. The fourth job on my list is medical transcriptionist. Do you want to work in healthcare from home? This is a solid opportunity for you to work from home, and it is a beautiful work from home job. What you simply do is to listen to audio recordings from healthcare providers and turn them into documents, turn them into reports, turn them into notes, turn them into referrals, depending on what the task of the job is required of you. The pay range is around $25 to $45 per hour, and you can find this job on Patreon or on Solventum. The skills needed are typing speed, medical terminology, transcription software. People who type really fast, they would enjoy this kind of job with great focus because this is what they love to do. The fifth job on my list is the remote database administrator, popularly called the DBA. If you're not into IT or data, this is one of the best high paying remote jobs to do at night. The beautiful thing is that you get to manage, secure, troubleshoot database for companies, often during quiet hours for maintenance. Some people say that network is best at midnight. So if you're a night lover, this would be a perfect job for you. This is one of the highest paid that I have seen. Pay range per year, if you want to consider it full time, is about 80,000 to $130,000 per year. If you want to go into this particular job as a freelance, pay range is about 50 to $80 per hour. And you can find this job on Portal and Flex Jobs. Skills needed: you need SQL slash MySQL slash Oracle, you need data backup, you need some IT certification like CompTIA or Oracle DBA. The last job on my list is YouTube strategist or channel manager. I have had so many emails from people requesting to be my YouTube manager. If you love YouTube but you don't want to be on camera, as a YouTube strategist, you help creators like me and others to grow by researching trends, improving titles, improving their thumbnails, improving their search engine optimization, planning content, and analyzing what works. This role might be called the content manager or brand strategist or talent coordinator. Pay range is around $30 to $100 per hour, or about 1,000 to 3,000 per month per client. It depends on how huge the brand is or how huge the channel is and your willingness to put in the work. You can find this job on Contra or Nights.co. The skills needed are YouTube SEO, analytics, planning, confidentiality. This is perfect for content lovers who prefer to be behind the scenes kind of job. So there you have it. These are 6 remote jobs. If this video was of great interest to you, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend this to other people. And also please subscribe to the channel for more of remote jobs that you can comfortably do at your home. So these 6 remote jobs you can do at night. You don't need any degree. You can work from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a creative academic and you want flexibility, there's something here for you. Let me know in the comment section which of these jobs that you're going to try out first, or which one you have tried before and has worked out for you. All the links I have mentioned in this video will be in the description box and you can go check them out. I will show you how to find the description box. Again, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more remote job ideas, visa sponsorship updates, online income tips, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.